Good morning. I am Vivek Reshmi. In this session, we will discuss about how to convert octal number system to decimal number system. We already know about what do you mean by octal number system and also decimal number system. Octal number system, which is considered the 7 digits, 0 to 7 digits, and in the decimal number system 0 to 9 digits. The base or radix value of octal number system is 8 and base or radix value for decimal number system is 10. We will discuss first how to convert octal to decimal number system with an example. Consider one simple example, 16, which is the base or radix value of 16 is 8. So it is considered as an octal number system. How to convert this octal number system to decimal number system? Okay. To convert octal to decimal number system, we have to divide this number by 8 and recording the reminders. Okay. 16. We have to divide this 16 value by 8. 8 2s are 16. The remainder will be 0. We can't further divide this 2 by 8 because this is the smallest value compared to 8. Okay. So we have to collect the reminders from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Now the answer is 20, the base or radix value is 10. So this is the decimal value of this octal number system. Right? This is the decimal value of this octal number system. We'll see another example, that is 156. We'll see another example, that is 156. The base or radix value is 8. This is the octal number system. We have to convert it into decimal number system. Again the procedure is same, that is 156. We have to divide this 156 by 8. 8, right? 8 ones are 8, right? The remainder will be 7. We have to write it here. 76. 8 9s are 72. Remainder will be 4. Right? Remainder will be 4. Again, we have to divide this 19 by 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16, and remainder will be 3. Right? We can't further divide by 2 by 8. So we have to collect remainder from bottom to top. The answer will be 234 base 10. This 234 decimal value of this 156 octal number system. Okay. We have seen that how to convert octal to decimal. Now vice versa, we'll see how to convert a decimal value into octal value or decimal number system to octal number system. For example, 234, which is in a decimal value, we have to convert this decimal value to octal value, this decimal number system into octal number system. For this purpose, we have to multiply by 8. Each digit we have to multiply by 8. We have to consider the position value of each digit. The position value of 4 is 0. and position value of 3 is 1 and position value of 2 is 2, right? Now 2 into 8 raised to position value is 2. 2 into 8 raised to position value is 2 plus 3 into 8 raised to position value of 3 is 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to position value of 4 is 0. Okay. Now we have to multiply 2 into 8 raised to 2 means 64 plus 3 into 8 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1. Now 2 into 64 is 128 plus 3 into 8 is 24 plus 4. The total value will be 156. 156. This is the octal value of this decimal number system. This is the octal value of this decimal number system. So we got the answer 156. Base or radius value is 8, right? This is the decimal value of this. This is the octal value of this decimal number system. We'll see again. Okay. So 234 is the decimal value. Now we have to add 8 to each digit in the decimal number system. Now 2 into 8 raised to 2, the 2 is the position value of this digit. Okay. And 3 into 8 raised to 1, 1 means position value of 3, and 4 into 8 raised to 0, 0 is the position value of 4. Now we have to multiply each. 8 raised to 2, 64, right? 2 into 64 is 128, and 3 into 8 raised to 1 means 8, 3 into 8 means 24, 4 into 1, 4. The total addition is 156. Now in this way we are going to convert decimal number system to octal number system. Okay. We'll see another example. 156 is the decimal value. We have to convert it into octal. The procedure is same. First we have to know about the position value of each digit. So position value of 6 is 0, and the position value of 5 is 1, and position value of 1 is 2. Now we have to multiply by each digit. We have to multiply each digit by 8. 1 into 8 raised to the position of 1 is 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to the position of 5 is 1 plus 6 into 8 raised to 0. So 0 is the position value of 6. Now we have to multiply 1 into 2 raised to 8 raised to 2 means 64 plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 is 8. Now 6. Okay. 64 plus 5 into 8, 40 plus 6. The total value of this addition means 64 into 40 and plus 6 is 1110. So this is the octal value of this decimal number system. 110 is the octal value of this decimal number system. I think you understood this concept. Okay, thank you so much.